Well, I was about to go for a ride to a local shop, motorcycle shop. However, Harley's back in the news. They can't seem to stay out of it. Anyways, let's get into it. So this time it's not about DEI or woke or anything like that. This actually has to do with a lawsuit that they've been in since 2020, I believe it was. The story was this guy and I don't know if it was his wife or his lady friend or whatever were on their trike, and something happened with the traction control. Apparently there was a recall for it for the 2019, 2020, something like that. Don't know the whole scenario of what the traction control was. I'm not a trike guy. The article I'm getting this from, I'll leave in the description down below. But anyways, one of them actually ended up dying, and one of them sustained a bunch of injuries, and they sued Harley Davidson for you know, all the same things, you know, injuries, loss of income, all the stuff, and they sued them back in 2020, I believe it was. And it just came out this week that the court has ordered Harley Davidson to actually pay out these damages in the tune of like $287 million, which is just crazy. It's almost as much as what they made, I believe, in the first quarter of this year. So it's not a small amount. Now, it's not anything to do with the CEO and everything. I know people will jump on that. 2020 was the first year he was there. Mind you, he was on the board before that. I think since 2018 or 2016 that he was on the board. So maybe it had to do with the CEO too. But anyways, they've been ordered to pay this money. Harley Davidson is denying it. They don't agree with it, and they are appealing. So the appeals process, who knows, could be another 4 years before it's ended up settling where they either have to pay or they don't have to pay. So it's not huge news. And then people are talking about whether this is Harley's fault, if maybe the guy didn't actually have the recall done on it, and maybe it's not Harley's fault for this. I don't know. I don't know the whole ins and outs. I just thought it was a big news story that didn't have to do with woke crap. So thought I would talk about it. Anyways, what do you guys think? Do you think Harley will have to pay this? Will they not have to pay this? Do you think it is Harley's fault, or do you think these people that are suing should say we'll settle for just getting rid of the board and the CEO? I'm joking. But anyways, until next time, later.